We have to learn today joining the sentences. We shall discuss the answers of these questions that I gave yesterday. Join the sentences without using and, but, so. First sentence is given: Ankita is pretty, Kalyani is equally pretty. Okay, so in this, looking at this only, we should understand that it is from degrees. So how we can join the pair of sentences? Ankita is pretty, Kalyani is equally pretty. So it will be joined like that. Kalyani is as pretty as Ankita. Okay, Kalyani is as pretty as Ankita. Next one, question number 2. The shopkeeper is cunning, everybody knows it. The shopkeeper is cunning, everybody knows it. So, how you can join? Everybody knows that the shopkeeper is cunning. Everybody knows that the shopkeeper is cunning. Next one, question number 3. I do not know the reason. First sentence, he is not coming to school. Okay, once again I'll read. I do not know the reason he is not coming to school. So how we can join this? Question number 3. I do not know why he is not coming to school. Very simple sentence, only you need to understand. Okay, I do not know why he is not coming to school. Next one, question number 4. He is poor, he is not a cheat. Okay, he is poor, he is not a cheat. Now you can see the two sentences that are given, they are in contrast with each other, isn't it? That is, he is poor, he is not a cheat. So whenever contrast is there, that is when two sentences are completely opposite of each other in the meaning, okay, so they can be joined using though or although. So here it will be that although he is poor, comma, he is not a cheat. Okay, although he is poor, comma, he is not a cheat. Next one, question number 5. Anu helped me, otherwise I would not have completed the task. Anu helped me, first sentence, otherwise I would not have completed the task. So how you can join this sentence? If Anu had not helped me, comma, I would not have completed the task. Once again, if Anu had not helped me, comma, I would not have completed the task. Okay. Question number 6 after this. Mr. Khosala is punctual. He cannot be late. Once again, Mr. Khosala is punctual. He cannot be late. So, how we can join this? Mr. Khosala cannot be late as he is punctual. Okay, Mr. Khosala cannot be late as he is punctual. Next, question number 7. You did not complete your project. Kindly tell me the reason. You did not complete your project. Kindly tell me the reason. So, very simple sentence. How you can join this? Kindly tell me why you did not complete the project. Okay. Kindly tell me why you did not complete the project. Next, question number 8. Come back soon. We will wait for you till then. Come back soon. First sentence. Another one is we will wait for you till then. So, how you can join? We will wait for you until you come back. We will wait for you until you come back. Next one, question number 9. I am learning French. I got a scholarship. I am learning French. I got a scholarship. So, as I got a scholarship, I am learning French. As I got a scholarship in France, I am learning French. So, once again, I shall repeat this. Question number 9, there was disturbance, so I switched off my data. As I got a scholarship in France, comma, I am learning French. Next, question number 10. Mona spoke very softly. I could not hear her. Mona spoke very softly. I could not hear her. How we can join this? I could not hear Mona because she spoke very softly. Okay, you can use because also, as also, that Mona spoke very softly. First sentence, I could not hear her. So how you can join? I could not hear Mona because she spoke very softly. Next one, question number 11. The old woman was very selfish. She never helped her neighbors. The old woman was very selfish. She never helped her neighbors. The old woman was too selfish. Yes, TOO. Okay. The old woman was too selfish to help her neighbors. Then last one. Manoj is intelligent. I am less intelligent. Again from degrees. Manoj is intelligent. First sentence. I am less intelligent. So you can write it as 1. I am not as intelligent as Manoj. Okay. I am not as intelligent as Manoj. So these are the answers of the given questions. I have also written it for you. You can have a look over here on the next page. Okay, so you should practice, understand the questions and understand the meaning, that what the pair of sentences is conveying to you. Okay, that you have to understand that, and then accordingly you have to use the conjunctions in order to join the pair of sentence. And be very careful, children, that you don't have to use and, but and so. Okay, you have to join the sentences without using these 3 conjunctions, and, but, so. Okay, and now in the next video we shall discuss some more questions from this part, that is joining the sentences. And as much you will practice, children, that much you will understand and you will not lose marks in this part at least. Okay, fine. Goodbye, children.